My Mexican meatballs are done-ski. There we go. Oh, they look amazing. Woohoo, look at that. So I turned them halfway, and now I'm going to serve them up. Actually, I might get a little metal. Just bring them all up. Just loosen them. Now remember, they freeze really well. They are perfect as party food if you make them half the size of these, because they're too big for party food this size, I can tell you now. It's too much in your little mouth. You get 3 a serve, and they're just delicious. 4.8 grams of fat for a meatball, for a serve I should say, not a meatball. Look at this. Oh, I mean, who knew? Weight loss could be so deliciously healthy. I'm going to soak in a tray. I've got some salsa in there as well, because it's lovely to dip in. I just wanted to show you that. You could do that for each person on a little plate, you know, like a little soy plate thing. You don't have to have the salsa, or you could have a chutney or a tomato relish. All of those would be lovely with it, or even just tomato sauce or barbecue sauce is really nice. Okay, so now if you want to win book 1, which this recipe is out of, all you have to do is in the comments, you have to like, share, and then in the comments you have to do the hashtag Simply2Good in the comments. And I'll pick 3 fantastic people and I'll post the winners up in the feed on Thursday before next week's show. Don't forget, you can go to simply2good.com.au/shop and you can now buy the coconut essence from my store. And actually check out the shop while you're there, because I've started my Christmas shopping. I don't know about you, but I straight away went to my website because it's so quick and easy. There's lots of great Christmas ideas there for you, for anyone that you love. Why not give them the good health of 2023 by using my cookbooks and the cookware. There's so many things you can get there. The chopping board. Do not forget the shakes. They might be a thing that will help you get through Christmas without gaining weight as well. So there we go. Next week's show. What am I making? Well, I'm going into more cooking because I can, and I'm going to be making a recipe that I think might be popular over summer, and it's my chicken pizza. Now, this recipe is amazing because you make your own pizza base. It's 2 ingredients, so easy to make. I cannot wait to cook it for you next week. I'm super excited. Thursday can't come quick enough for me. And as I said, it's out of more cooking for 1 or 2. Now remember, if you want anything, go to simply2good.com.au. And thank you for joining me with my beautiful Mexican meatballs. And I'll catch you Thursday with chicken pizza. Bye now.